What up, Track Cat family? So y'all see we've been doing a lot. Y'all seen on the meets, all the festivities, all the different vlogs I've been doing, my buddies, the car, everything we've been doing. Now it's time to get the car right itself. I need a motherfucking oil change. So we about to go get an oil change this morning and make sure the cat is already. So we about to go get an oil change this morning. Make sure the cat is all the way right. It's on 4% oil life right now. Y'all know we went to the track yesterday. Prior to that, we did a whole bunch of other stuff. We've been doing stuff, man. We've been doing a lot. And I told y'all we was gonna turn up the content, and all we gonna do is keep turning it up more. Today we about to go get an oil change, and we back on it. Let's go ahead and go drop it off real quick. Make sure the cat is all the way right on 100% oil life, and then we gonna get to the rest of what we gotta do today. So we just made it. What up, y'all? So y'all see we back in the cat. And we just picked it up. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the screen and what it look like when you first get a full oil change. If y'all got a cat or a Scat Pack, any Mopar, y'all know what it look like. But I just want to show y'all, it just looks so good on the screen when you got that 100% oil life. And it rides so smooth, man. It feel like a new baby, it's a new cat. It feel like a new car when I got a new oil change in this motherfucker. Bow. Y'all see we had 100% oil life on them. Yeah. So now we back in action. We ain't gotta worry about the cat. You know, we ain't gotta worry about no oil problems or no nothing. We ain't gotta worry about the oil life. It's always in the back of your head when your oil life getting low. You always like, damn, okay, I need an oil change. I'm gonna get an oil change when I get to this percent. I'm gonna get an oil change when I get to this percent. You always gotta, you scroll down and keep your eye on it. I've been having this screen up for a little minute ever since it got to about 20-30%, and now we lit. We at 100. Now we can go ahead and continue our day and continue the festivities. It is Saturday. Yesterday we did go to the track, had a lot of fun. Y'all see my boy Johnny. My boy Johnny, yeah, he got to tear the motherfucking track up in the C43, the all-wheel drive motherfucker. And that car, like I was saying a lot in that video, y'all watch that video, I was saying a lot. I was talking a lot about his car. That car is meant for exactly what he was doing with it. It was meant for that. So he gonna get to grow into that. He gonna go to other track events. Y'all gonna see a lot of track content with my boy Johnny and that car, and different little track stickers on the side of that motherfucker. So look forward to that. Really look forward to that. But right now, I'm gonna go on to the house. I'm gonna handle some business real quick, and then we gonna pop back out. We're gonna hop back in the cat. I just left the gym earlier. Before I dropped the car off, I went to the gym, so I haven't taken a shower or anything since I left the gym. I've been working, wanted to drop the cat off. Had to go figure some stuff out at the house while the cat was getting the oil change. And my guys, my mechanics that I dropped the cat off to get the oil change, they get it done quick as hell. So it really only took about, I want to say 45 minutes to an hour to do the oil change. So I went ahead and I got the cat all the way right, as y'all can see. All the way detailed. Clean as ever. I was coming back from the oil change. As y'all know, we just picked it up. And I was like, let me stop by the car wash and get it all the way dialed in so we can really enjoy it with the fresh oil change, fresh car wash. It's Saturday, so it's the weekend. I thought it was only right to get the cat 100% right, even though I got the oil change already. Want to go ahead and get it cleaned up because I did hit the track, or we hit the track yesterday, and it got super dirty. I didn't talk much about the car getting dirty because we were focused on other stuff, but the car got super dirty. And now it's all the way back to like how I usually like to keep it, all the way cleaned up. And that paint, that FA green just hit a little different. I was at the car wash with my boy and he let me use some of his wax and shine. It's almost like a spray wax, almost like a lighter wax, but you just spray it on there and just wipe it with a dry towel. And man, I'm gonna have to grab some. I'm gonna use it every time I wash the car from now on. And I'm gonna order some when I get to the crib. Cause damn, I ain't never seen the paint hit like this after a wash. It's a little different. And when I say different, I mean different. Almost looked like I went ahead and went home and waxed it after I washed it, but I did it. Yeah. What up, y'all? So I just made it back home and we got the cat all the way right. Just parked her in the garage. And now we're all the way ready. Got the cat on 100% oil life. Got a lot of stuff coming up. Y'all know we've been going crazy with the content, and I got something special for tomorrow and the day after that. I mean, I'm planning days ahead now. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. Stay blessed, stay positive. Peace. Love y'all.